This secret I will reveal. Today we are going to make a mayonnaise that is a secret in restaurants. For that, we'll start here by separating 150 grams of olives from the water, right? Canned, like this here. We are going to be cutting an onion into cubes, like this. And also cutting 4 cloves of garlic. Guys, this mayonnaise looks delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. Now I will be putting the onion in the blender, adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the garlic cloves, and also adding 5 tablespoons full of mayonnaise, adding 3 tablespoons of sour cream, and beating very well. And guys, you are already commenting there for me, from which city you are watching us, that I will send a super special hug to each of you who comment. So you're commenting. I'm going to add the olives now, and beat very well. And folks, this mayonnaise is delicious. It's super creamy, you can spread it on breads, cookies, whatever you like, and it's delicious. I will now be cutting parsley and chives here, and adding them to the blender. And now it's beating for another 30 seconds. And today's special big hug goes to Isabella from Louisiana. Thank you so much for always commenting. I thank you immensely. I'm going to add now our mayonnaise in a container, a spoon of oregano, and mix very well. And our mayonnaise was ready, and it was super delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. So if you liked it, share it and see you next time. Goodbye.